Alright guys, hello guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. We're having strong thunderstorms with 60-mile-per-hour winds. We're literally having 60-mile-per-hour winds right now. It's coming, it just takes a second. Just watch this. Whoa, that was a close lightning strike. Oh my gosh. This is a crazy storm. Wow, look at that Chinese zone over there. I know this doesn't look like 60, but okay, that does look like a 60-mile-an-hour gust. I'm gonna go to the front yard in just a little bit. I'm gonna see if a 60-mile-an-hour gust comes through. I know this doesn't look like 60, but it's close to 60. Here it comes. I know this is like the May 20. I keep saying this is like the May 28th storm, but it's not. Whoa. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that was pretty close. Oh my gosh. Look at my tree. Oh, it's picking up. Oh, it's coming. Here it comes, guys. It's coming. This is the baddest part of the storm today. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if my camera's like super wet. It's because it's raining really hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to the front. I'm gonna go to the front yard, so I will see y'all in a moment. Alright, so here's what it looks like in the front. The rain's kind of blowing sideways over there. Oh my gosh. See what it's like out there? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's blowing at me. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry about my camera. The gutter rain is blowing out. Oh my gosh. This is gonna last until at least the morning. Well, it's still the morning, but yeah. It's picking up. See if I can take a look out there. I'm just gonna do it real quick. Okay, I gotta go back. Oh. There, I did it for y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, Bradford pears can get split in these storms. Alright, I want to go back to the backyard, so give me a second. Alright, so we're back out here in the back. There's still some lightning. I think everything has died down, but we still got the wind. There could be some 60-mile-an-hour gusts left, but that's all. All there is just strong gusts. Let's see what it's like with the light off. That's the camera light. I have a camera in my backyard. Whoa. It's even scarier with the lightning. It's just freaky how it echoes. Man, this wind is insane. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I told y'all there could be some 60-mile-an-hour gusts. Whoa, I hope I caught that. What the heck was that? Did you guys hear that? That was kind of weird. It sounds like a pop. It was like a loud pop too. No, that was not a gun. It was probably like a tree cracking. It's so weird how all the lightning is like over there. And over there as well. I think I might leave the light off for the rest of the video. Yeah, we still got some strong wind gusts left. Wow, look over there. I'm afraid something bad's gonna happen next. Because there probably is. Whoa, that was an anvil crawler. That was an anvil crawler lightning. It's like where it just goes across the sky. That was like pretty cool. Oh, another one. there goes another anvil crawler. Yeah, we're supposed to get 60-mile-an-hour winds right now. But they're not here yet. They just take a second to get here. They said they're arriving right now. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna take my hoodie off a little bit. Oh, it's coming, guys. It's so creepy with the porch light off. I have no idea what time it is right now. It's probably like 5 o'clock in the morning. The rain has died down, but we still got the 60-mile-an-hour winds. I'm surprised the sirens haven't gone off yet in Frisco. Look at my tree. I don't know if y'all can see my tree blowing. Okay, I'm gonna turn the porch light on. It's getting pretty creepy. At least my dead tree survived. That's another tree I have in the stump. We trimmed that as well. I forgot to mention that. I think I hear tree swooshing. Listen. I don't know if there's a second round of storms coming in. There goes the wind. Look at my tree. It's bouncing everywhere. You guys think I can take a peek in the front yard real quick? From the backyard? Let's go see. I'm gonna stand out here for a little bit. See if anything happens. Oh, I better get back to the porch. I think there's a second round of storms coming because I just saw lightning over there. And the storms were blowing that direction. There might be a second round of storms. I don't know. Porch lights on. I think there's a second round of storms coming in. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Is that it for the storms, or are they coming in more? I don't even know what to say. I'm counting the number of lightning strikes. Every 5 seconds is a mile. Well, that shook my chest. That, I hate when that thunder goes like, vroom, vroom. Sounds like a car. I'm just kidding, I don't know what it did. Any more storms want to show up? Whoa, another anvil crawler. The wind is kind of starting to die down, but we still have some strong gusts. No, I definitely hear trees. I hear trees swishing. I think it's starting to rain again. Oh, the rain and the wind's starting to pick up again. Here it comes. There's another lightning over there. That was off to our east. I think I can barely hear that Chinese dome over there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was like a big gust. I would say that was like a 35-mile-an-hour gust. Well, they're gonna pick up to 60 in just a minute. I think so. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I don't care if I film for an hour. I gotta get these storms on camera. Oh my gosh. I want to see what time it is real quick. No, I can't look at the time right now. I think I just heard a bang. I don't know what that was. I'm not kidding. I could have sworn I heard a bang. Whoa, another anvil crawler. I'm waiting to see what happens next. Sometimes when strong winds come around that house right there and out of that bad repair, before that, you can actually hear those houses. You can literally hear the walls and the windows vibrating because of those winds. Yeah, there might be a second storm coming in. I can't tell. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back to the front yard and we'll see what it's like there. Alright, so here's what it's like in the front. As you can see, the winds are not as strong, but they are gonna pick up. I say that and I just stand here for another 5 hours. Seriously, there's garbage trucks already emptying this early in the morning. I'm just looking down the street, make sure there's no damage. Oh my gosh. That one was bright. goodness. That was loud. Luckily, I covered my ears. Here's my oak tree. It's blowing. My cypress is blowing. My open holly's blowing. All right, let's go back to the porch here. You guys think I can turn off this light to see how creepy it looks? Oh, there we go. That's spooky. Whoa. I'm hearing stuff. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light back on. Oh, there go those Bradford pears. It's picking up. I can't tell if the storm is coming back, and oh my gosh, there's an anvil crawler lightning, and I can't tell. Luckily, that was more further away. My bald cypress is coming back to life. Oh, I think it's here, guys. I think those Bradford pears are going to split because they're very weak trees. Let's see if I can take a look at the back. It's not as bad back there, but my feet are absolutely freezing right now. I have no idea what time it is, but it's early in the morning. It's really early in the morning. I would say like 5 o'clock. I knew this was gonna happen. Oh, there's some lightning over in the back. Okay, I'm gonna put my hood back up. It's getting really cold. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but it has to be cold because I am shivering. Alright, let's go back up to the front porch. Oh, I hear trees going, not growing. There's my oak on holly. Oh, I hear wind chimes. That's a bad sign, it's coming. See, there's lightning over there too. I think that's the second storm coming in. Because the wind's blowing that direction and the storm is that direction, so the storm is probably headed our way. Oh, there goes the wind. Oh, my dad just came out. Sorry about that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I will see y'all in a moment. Okay, we're back here in the back. As you can see, it's not as bad actually. It's actually not as bad. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get on my trampoline because there's lightning everywhere. And plus it's sprinkling. I can see the sun like slowly coming up. Like I can see like the little light from, I can see a little blue. I just checked the time and it's 6:24 right now. 6:24 in the morning. There's another Chinese right over there. Not that tree, but a tree right over there. See if I can show y'all it. It's right over there. I'm just gonna go on the trampoline for sake. It's right there. Except it's smaller. The lightning's already passed, so. Oh, there's some lightning over there. All the trees like kind of went out of style, like that sweet gum over there. Alright, my feet are freezing. I'm gonna go back to the porch. Oh, we're here. Still hear trees going. Alright, we're back at the back porch. I might have to end this video soon because it's not as bad right now. But I'll keep filming. Oh, there's another anvil crawler right there. Yeah, there's lightning over there, and over there. And behind me too. It's all around us. I think we're still technically in the storm, but we're just getting the winds. It's like the eye of a hurricane. I think I hear twigs breaking. There's that Chinese zone over there. Let's see what it's like with the light off again. Yeah, it looks really more creepier and fun. The light's off. Camera light is kind of still on. Oh! Now I caught that. Here it comes. Here goes the thunder. I can see the lightning and the reflection of the windows right over there. It's kind of weird. My dead tree survived, so that's a good thing. My dead tree's going crazy and that Bradford pear's moving. Man. Oh, your sun's coming up. The sun is coming up. For some reason, all of our storms just happen early in the morning. I don't get that. Maybe because it's like a cooler condition, or maybe like because the sun just evaporates everything. Oh, there goes the camera light. I'm gonna turn the porch light back on. Oh, I hear trees going, not cheese. I hear something blowing out of the gutter. Man, those clouds are moving fast. You can't tell in the video, but they are moving fast. There goes the mulberry. Wait, can I take another peek in the front yard from here? Let's see what it's like. As you can see, it's just as windy. Wow, guys, this was a pretty crazy storm. Okay, I'll be back in a few. That's our radar right now. I'm right over here. That was the craziness. That's the craziness. Okay, so I just heard out that those gusts were not actually 60. Those were actually 40-mile-an-hour gusts. Ain't that crazy? The storm is crazy, you guys. That's crazy, you guys. Wow. There's a flash flood warning in Dallas County right now. Oh my gosh.